Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about this BH Cosmetics 28 color eyeshadow palette. I believe it costs around $22 and you get 28 different colors. They are more on the natural side, but you can create different looks with it. At the end of the video I'm going to be swatching the colors so that you can see how they look, and also do a small tutorial on this look that I have right here. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. Also don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe, and also hit that bell notification, and let's begin. So this is the box packaging. You get 20 colors for 39 grams. Here you can see the colors that are on this palette, and on the back it says this palette features 28 coordinating setting, matte and shimmer eyeshadow shades from soft nude to deep black and sparkling champagne to shimmering charcoal, and this brand is also cruelty free. Now let's move on to the actual product itself. I actually did a little bit of swatching to each and every one of them. You get shimmers and matte colors. This palette I found to be more suitable for a natural makeup, but obviously with the darker shades you can achieve smoky eye look, or maybe, I don't know, maybe play with this kind of pink shade and do like a smoky thing. I mean, a smoky eye look. It doesn't have to be always with blacks, it can be other shades. But without further ado, let's go ahead and start the swatches. I'm going to start from this row first and go my way to the right, and then the second, third and the fourth. So here you have the swatches from the colors of the palette. I found the lighter shades to be difficult to notice them without an eyeshadow primer. I don't find them to be so pigmented as the darker ones, but I don't know, this is only my opinion. You can leave me a comment below maybe and tell me if you tried this eyeshadow palette and let me know what you guys think about that. And now I will do a small tutorial with this eyeshadow palette, and on the left eye I will be using an eyeshadow primer just to kind of see if there are any difference on the pigmentation. Now I'm going to take my first eyeshadow and start applying this to the area where you will see if my eye was open. This is like above the crease, and this is called a transition shade. Basically, it's going to create gradient in your eyeshadow look and make everything look a little more natural than just having color on the lid. I want to keep the inner corners of my eye upright. That's like a really universally flattering look. So I'm gonna take some light eyeshadow and just place it there for safety, so that some of the dark shadow doesn't start to transfer towards the inner area, and I'm going to apply that with a flat brush. Now you can start working on the outer corner of your eye, and this is where the darkest shadow should go. And again I am applying it with a flat brush.
I'm gonna take my blending brush and I'm gonna start pulling the color towards the mid area of my eye, and then towards the outer area, just to get rid of any of the lines I created with my brush earlier. And then once it's all blended, I'm going to start taking a little bit more color and just packing it on, just to intensify the look. And of course you can keep going until you like the tremor that you see. That lighter eyeshadow has really settled into my skin, so putting a second layer is gonna make it really intense. I'm also gonna apply this to my brow bone and then blend a little bit until everything looks seamless. With a small brush I will apply the transition color also on my lower lash line, and then again with a clean fluffy brush I'm gonna go over just to make sure there aren't any harsh lines. To finish off this look you can always add false lashes or add lots of mascara.
Yeah, and this is the final look that I've got with this palette. As you can see, it's an easy makeup look for every day. Obviously, if you want to, I don't know, maybe create something bold with this palette, it's not going to work because it's more like on the natural side. Obviously you can create maybe like a smoky eye, but other than that it's not going to work for anyone who wants to go on the bolder side. But I believe if you want to travel or anything like that, then you just put it in your makeup bag or in your bag or whatever, and you have all these beautiful colors to combine, and as I said, they are really blendable. On the side where I haven't used any eyeshadow primer, I must tell you I didn't have any problems to blend the colors. They are blended really beautiful as on the side with an eye primer. So it's really up to you if you want to use an eyeshadow primer or maybe not. And I mean, for only $22 you get a really nice variety of colors that you can use for a day or even for a night look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Also click that bell notification, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.